Good day all, welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can put an audio, a video on your website or your web page, and how you can link two web pages together. It's going to work. I believe putting audio or video on your web page is still the same process. Even you are using your desktop or your laptop, it's still the same process, and you are using mobile phone to code. So don't forget we are using SPCK mobile editor, code editor, and you can actually get it on a Play Store. If you are just joining us, kindly go to your Play Store and search for SPCK so you can follow along. Now, how can we put audio on our web page? We use audio tag. You use audio tag. If you are using SPCK mobile editor, you can actually type audio. Then this audio element, just click on it. It will actually open an audio opening tag and closing tag at the same time. So inside this source, you specify the name of your audio. Don't forget, before you can upload audio, if you are using mobile phone, you must have created a folder. You must have created a folder and name that folder an audio. Then move an audio from your phone to this folder before it can work. And to create a folder, you can actually, this is signature template. This is the folder that contain all other folder. So here you just go here, you can see new folder. You can see create new folder. Here, once you click on new folder, it will bring out a dialog box for you to put the name of your folder that you want to create. So you put the name, you click OK, the folder will be there. But because I'm not creating any folder here now, I have to cancel this. And as well, if you want to create either audio or video folder, that's the same method you have to follow. And after creating the folder will appear here. You can see my folder here: audio folder, image folder, and video folder. To put an audio to put MP3 audio on your audio folder, you click these three dots at the right side of that audio of the folder. You click it. Once you click it, it will bring it here like this, and then you go to import file. That is number 3. You click on import file. It will take you to your phone. It will take you inside of your phone. Then there you'll be able to select the audio that you already downloaded on your phone. And likewise, if you want to upload image, it's still the same method. This image folder, I click here, I click on import file, so I will import it from my phone, the one already stored there. Then audio video as well, you can click here and go to import file. So once I click on import file, it will take me to the inside of my mobile phone where video are located. And why is it bringing video? It's because I already specified that I want video. I want to import video. It will take me to where video are located on my phone. Share you get. But if I already specified that since I want to import image, and I come here, I click on import, it will take me here. But as well, I can actually come here and choose the image I want to upload, either image I have on my phone or the one camera, which is mine. So I will decide to put that image. Now, since I click that, this is the image, I can actually, is in JPG, so I can actually rename it. Click here to rename, go down, go to rename, click on rename. But make sure that you do not erase the extension. Just click here from here. So here now I can say LAN tester, or let me say tester.jpg, because that image is a LAN tester. We use it to test a LAN network. So I have to specify the audio here, and this audio now is, I need to specify this folder that audio is inside. I'm not sure of the type of audio, maybe it's MP3. I just name it MP3. So It might work, it might not work, but let's just try it. But I need to first specify this folder, audio, that has capital letter. Then I will now specify this audio.mp3. I name it like that so I will be able to get it right. So to specify, don't forget the audio folder is in, the A is in cap audio, then / audio.mp3. So that is how it works. Alternatively, you can use, let me use break. This break is, we use it on HTML to put a space on our website. You can use break 2 times or 3 times, just as long as the space is enough for you. Then as long as the content are spacious enough. So here now you can also specify that audio here, you specify audio and opening tag and closing tag of an audio. Then inside you can now specify source. Now you come to that source is a single tag, it doesn't have closing tag. Now here you can now specify src. Then inside this you can specify audio / audio.mp3. So either you use the first method or you use the second method, it's going to work, especially if you are using laptop. Okay, it doesn't work here, it does not work here. It's because I'm using mobile phone, and then not because I'm using mobile phone, it's because this type of audio might not be mp3. You have to be sure that the type of audio you are uploading, the extension is exactly what it is, because I just copied this and I use mp3, I'm not sure of the extension. So I just want to use it to show an example in this tutorial. So that's it for audio. If you use it on your desktop, it's going to work perfectly. It's still the same method that you have to follow. It's still the same method. It's not because we're using mobile app, no, it's still the same method you have to follow. So how can we put video? To put video, we have to, it's still the same thing with this. So you just have to specify video tag. Inside it, you can now specify your video. Now here I have video. Inside my video I have season.mp4. so here I have to specify the folder first, which is video. And don't forget the video is in the A is in cap. So video, then season.mp4. So you can see this video now show here. It show here, but I think it's because we are using mobile. So that's why it's supposed to play, because we are using mobile. Just try it on desktop or on laptop. Here you can specify the control. Okay, here you can see there is no control, there is nowhere we can stop, there is nowhere we can start, there is nowhere we can pause it. But once you specify control button here, everything will be there here. And to do that, it's just to write control. Now once I put control, you can see this line, this control is there. You can start it here, you can pause it there as well. So you can also specify the size. You can specify the width and the height. So to specify the width and the height, then you need to use style. Width, let me say 100%. You can see it's very small though, so that 100% is very small. I can as well specify 500. Okay, it almost occupied the whole space, and you can use 500 because it's occupied the whole space because I'm using mobile. So if you are using the laptop or desktop, You should know it's going to fit in. Now you can also specify it here. Since you specify control, you can specify modes. Okay, before that, you can see there is, if you look at the video, you can see there is a volume button. There is a volume button. That volume button, you can use it to increase the volume, you can use it to decrease the volume. But you can actually specify that when someone visits this page, that the video should just move. Even the person click on play, it will play, but it will not sound out. It's just that it will just be seeing the image of the video, but it will not sound out until the person click on mute, to unmute it. So how do we specify it? Here, after the control, you just write muted, and when you view it, you will see that on that volume icon there is a kind of cross. That cross is muted now. So if someone visits this web page, it will see the video will be muted, and when the person click on play, the video will play, but the sound will not come out on the person click to unmute the sound. So likewise, we can also specify that when this video play to the end, that it should start over again by using loop. You can use loop. So after the muted, you can just loop. So by specifying that once they play to the end, it's going to start over again. And alternatively, you can also specify that this video, you can use the other method that I used on audio. Okay, let me break it. Let me put a space. So here you can also specify that video ms. Now here in the middle, I want to specify the source. So to specify the source, I put source here. Between here, I put src. So in this src, I will now put the video link. Then I first specify the folder, video, then season.mp4 file. So this is second audio, but we have to specify the weight, because we haven't specified the weight. Now you can see it's in the middle and it's smaller than this. But to do that, to specify all these attributes, you cannot specify it here. Though you can try it, but I don't think it's going to work. The best way to specify it is to come to the opening tag of the audio, then write control. Now let's see. You can see the control. You can see that it was there, and you can specify, you can put all other attributes, control, muted. Also you can put loop if you wish, and you can also style it, width. You can put 300 pz. You can see that's how to put audio. That's how to put video. So that's how to put audio and video on your web page. That's the same way. There is no other way around it. If you didn't follow this method, you lose it. So now how can we link this? Don't forget that this is index.html, and this index.html represents our home page. And here we have services. We have page called services. We also have another one called contact us. Here you can see. Now how can we link the two together? Now I want to create another HTML page called contact us. So just note that even you have 10 pages, you have 5 pages, it's still the same process that I want to follow here, that you have to follow to link it together. You can see I come to, you can actually come to this signature template. I click here, I click new file. But alternatively you can come to this, at this top you can see the second plus sign here. You click on it, it will take you to new file. Now name it contact us, but you have to put what you want to .html, because I want it to be an HTML file. If it is a CSS file, you put .css. If it is JavaScript file, you put .js. Now here, now let me now open this. Here now you can see I did contact us, but because I want to paste, immediately I put it contact us, it automatically bring out this code. But because I have already copied a code I want to paste, I have to delete this. I have to delete that. So now here, now I can just click on paste to paste it. Now this is still the same code there, but what we're going to do is now you can see this contact us.html. We are going to link the 2 pages together. Now you can see that here we have home. In our href we have home, which we link to Google. Okay, let me remove this Google. Okay, now because I want to link this, okay, let me go to home as well. Let me remove this Google. Because I want to link these pages together. Now you can see it's still there, and if you come here as well, you can see that it's still there. If you click on this home now, it's not going to link you to Google anymore. So now let me go back. Now I want to link this index.html to contact us. Now contact us.html, to link this, now this home page where I put Google, where I erase Google, I have to go there and put contact us.html. You can see contact us.html. Now here in that contact us.html, I can actually put index.html. Can you see that? Now I will come to contact us.html as well. Here in this home, I will put contact us.html. Here in this contact us, I'll put index.html. Now let me run it. Now this is, don't forget, this is contact us.html. Okay, let me go to index, our home page. Now from this home page, I want to go to contact us. So once I click on contact us, I want it to take me to contact us. Do you get that? So how do we know that we are in contact us? Okay, before doing that, let me go to contact us. Let me remove the whole video and audio tags and put a form tag there. I'm not going to put the whole form there. So here, let me put a form tag that specify a name, a username and email. Okay, to put a form on our contact us, I put form tag. So here I want to put label. Okay. Label for username and name, also username. Now here input type text. Name, I want the name to be first name. Okay. First name. And then the ID I want to be first name. F name. First name. Now I still want to specify another label, but this time I want it to be for email. So inputs, I want the inputs not to be text, I want it to be email, and the name will be email, and the ID will be email. Now with this, let's go there. Okay, might not get it right like this. So what are we going to do? After each input, we're going to put a break. So after this, we can actually put it here. Let's put a break. Here. Okay, let me put username. In this ID, let me put user. So break. So after this break, I need to put another label, which will be name. For name. So here input text. Now name, I want it to be name, then ID name, but here I need to put break, so to give it a space. Now this is it, but okay, let me also put break here between the folder and the form. Let me put break here. I also erased the header, the closing tag of the header. I have erased it, so I need to put it back. Now here I can now put break. I want to put triple break. We are still going to treat form extensively. So this is username, name and email. So this email, don't forget, for me to put anything that is not at, is not going to take it. Let's say I put username Nancy Newton. Okay, name, let me say Newton. Now here I now put this, it's not going to. Let's say I also put name Newton, it's not going to accept it. It's not going to accept it until I put, oh, we're not going to see that. Let me, here inside the form you can also specify submit. Also specify label. Rather you can use a button. Should we use a button? Input, text, name, submit. And let's use a button. You can use a button. Button disable, enable. Now button here we can use submit. We can remove this enable, doesn't mean, except we want to disable it. So this button, submit button, well, we'll have to break it down by using BR. Now this submit. Now this submit, we can also center it. Don't forget, center is another HTML tag by using opening right center, here also opening, to close it, center. So what will this center do? It will center without using CSS to center it, it will center the submit button automatically. You can see. Okay, what am I going to do now? Let me go to my home page. This is my home page index. You can see this one has video. Now I want to move from my home page to my contact page. What should I do? Now once I click on this contact here, I want it to take me to contact page. Let's click on it. It doesn't work. Well, that's just the way to do it. Once you click on it, if you try it on desktop, it should work. If you try it, this is how we can link. Oh, there is an error there. There is a mistake there. Sorry. This home page, I put contact us. This contact page, I put index, which is home page. So here should be, because we are linking this to home page, right? We want when we click on home page, that it should take us to home page, and when we click to contact us, it should take us to contact us. So the way I specify it is not the way it's supposed to be. This is contact us, then contact us, I'll put contact us.html. This is how it will work fine. Then let me go to home page. Maybe there's error there. You can see in home page I put contact us.html. Meanwhile, index.html is supposed to be in home index.html. This is it. Then in contact us here, it will be contact us
.html. Now this homepage, let me run it. Now from here, let me go to contact us. You can see it take me to contact us. Okay, from contact us, now let me go back to homepage. Let me click on home, because it take me to homepage. You know, you should note that is the only is our homepage that have the audio audio tag that we embedded an audio. So this is our home page, and our contact us page contain a contact form, which is once I click on contact us, it will take me to contact page. So this page, this form, we can use CSS to align it, which we are going to look at in details in our next video. So thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching these videos. If this video is your first video you are watching on this channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. The only thing you can give to us, for we that we are just starting up a channel, is for you to subscribe in our channel. Once you subscribe, that is the only thing you can give back to us. So we are just trying to give the best to our people. So don't hesitate to subscribe. Click on subscribe to subscribe on the channel. That is the only thing you can give to us. Thank you for watching. So the next video will be posted.